And the rope Kiss Me looking for the leader. And around the outside, good job, Diamond Magic, then followed by Pure Energy, Royal Family, Sweet Eliza, Hardway, Quick Storm, while Simple Beauty is running in the tail of the field. Out of straight day trouble, Kiss Me leads Baha Falang, followed by Diamond Magic, and Falangs back now to Good Job, then followed by Pure Energy. Around the outside, People Royal Family, Falangs back, Quick Storm, Sweet Eliza, Hardway, and Simple Beauty. Passing the half mile, Diamond Magic takes up the running Balang, followed by Kiss Me. 5 lengths away in third is Good Job, moving up Royal Family now the outside for the down in fifth is Pure Energy, inside the last 600 Diamond Magic leads Baha Falang, Kiss Me running second, Good Job running in third, Royal Family, Pure Energy, here comes Hardway, inside the last 400 Diamond Magic, Kiss Me fighting it out for the lead. Good Job moving up now the outside, third Royal Family, Hardway as they swing for home. Diamond Magic, Good Job moves up now the outside to grab the leader. It's not Good Job on the outside, Diamond Magic. Kiss Me, Royal Family, Simple Beauty, Hardway, Sweet Eliza, and finally, Good Job, Kiss Me. Close, Diamond Magic, Simple Beauty, then followed by Sweet Eliza, Royal Family, Quick Storm, Hardway, and Pure Energy.